Each year, Microsoft Research hosts hundreds of influential speakers from around the world, including leading scientists, renowned experts in technology, book authors, and leading academics, and makes videos of these lectures freely available.
Cloud gaming, where data center servers execute the games on behalf of thin clients that merely transmit UI input events and display output rendered by the servers, has emerged as an interesting alternative to traditional client-side execution. However, cloud gaming faces a key technical dilemma. How can players attain real-time interactivity in the face of internet latency? Real-time interactivity means client input events should be quickly reflected on the client display. To overcome internet latency and deliver responsiveness, Outatime employs speculative execution on the server and compensates for misspeculation on the client. The basic principle is to use statistical inference to speculatively generate possible output frames and transmit them to the client a full round trip ahead of the client's actual corresponding input. If the speculation is wrong, the client applies a simple warp on the speculative frame to obtain a result that is a close approximation to the ground truth. The server can undo wrong speculations in real time. The key is that clients experience zero network wait time between submitting an input and receiving a corresponding frame that is ready to show. Let's first look at a case of navigating an environment. In the baseline case where offloading is performed without speculation, note the delay between the user's mouse and keyboard movement and the actual movement on the screen. Now observe that the responsiveness is much better with Outatime. We can directly compare the differences side by side as well. Let's next look at a case of triggering an in-game action such as firing a weapon. Again, in the baseline case, note the delay between click and on-screen event. Now, observe the improvement. A direct comparison highlights the differences. Finally, let's observe the overall effect on an action sequence. Note from the side-by-side, many shots actually miss their mark in the baseline case, whereas Outatime is very responsive. Outatime effectively masks network latency even for demanding Twitch interactions.
Each year, Microsoft Research hosts hundreds of influential speakers from around the world, including leading scientists, renowned experts in technology, book authors, and leading academics, and makes videos of these lectures freely available.